The one-ranked product is Philips Norelco Shaver Series 9000 Wet and Dry Electric Shaver with lift and cut shaving system and SenseIQ technology, pop-up trimmer, cleaning pod, charging stand and travel case. Model S9987/85. Review score 4.5. Review count 2,274 ratings. Price $259.96. Customers like the shave quality, ease of cleaning, and battery life of the electric shaver. They mention it shaves very well, does a decent job of cleaning, and comes with a whole cleaning apparatus. Some also like the ease of use, comfort, and shave distance. Customers dislike, however. Some customers have different opinions on functionality and value for money. The two-ranked product is Panasonic ARC5 Electric Razor for Men with Pop-Up Trimmer. Wet-dry 5-blade electric shaver with intelligent shave sensor and multi-flex pivoting head. SLV65S. Silver. Review score 4.4. Review count 13,870 ratings. Price $159.99. Customers like the shave quality, functionality, and ease of cleaning of the electric shaver. They mention it trims the hair well, works great in the shower, and comes apart for easy rinsing and cleaning. Some are also happy with the comfort, smooth shave, and speed. Customers dislike, however. Some customers differ on the value for money. The three-ranked product is Braun Electric Razor for Men. Waterproof Foil Shaver. Series 9390cc. Wet and dry shave, with pop-up beard trimmer for grooming. Cleaning and charging SmartCare Center and leather travel case. Silver. Review score 4.4. Review count 12,887 ratings. Price $309.94. Customers like the shave quality and ease of cleaning of the electric shaver. They mention it shaves well, is self-cleaning, and has a new improved cleaning stand. Some are also satisfied with the comfort and smooth shave. Customers dislike, however. Some customers disagree on its functionality, value for money, build quality, and battery life. The four-ranked product is Bob Eyeless Pro METALFX Single and Double Foil Shavers. Review score 4.4. Review count 11,073 ratings. Price $139.99. Customers like the shave quality and ease of use of the electric shaver. They mention it's perfect for shaving around the neckline and shaves like a hot knife through butter. Customers are also satisfied with its looks and ease of cleaning. Customers dislike, however. Some customers disagree on functionality, build quality, value for money, and battery life. The five-ranked product is Panasonic Electric Razor for Men. Electric Shaver. ARC5 with premium automatic cleaning and charging station. Wet-dry shaver Men. Cordless razor. With pop-up trimmer SLV97K. Black. Review score 4.4. Review count 5,928 ratings. Price $202.99. Customers like the shave quality, ease of cleaning, and comfort of the electric shaver. They mention it gives a very close shave. The waterproof design facilitates effortless cleaning, and the trimmer is excellent. Some appreciate the ease of use. Customers dislike, however. Some customers have mixed opinions on whether it works well, the battery life, value for money, and build quality.